Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail. First question: who among the following had the longest tenure as President of India? Options: N. Sanjeeva Reddy, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, F.A. Ahmad, V.V. Giri. And the correct answer is option 2, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next. Who represents the state government at Panchayat level? Options: Panchayat Samiti, Sarpanch, Gram Sevak, Mukhiya. Answer is option 3, Gram Sevak. Next. Who gives decision over the dispute on election of the president? Options: Parliament, Supreme Court, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. And the right answer is option 3, Supreme Court. Next. The Prime Minister of India who did not face the Union Parliament was? Options: Rajiv Gandhi, Charan Singh, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Morarji Desai. Answer is option 2, Charan Singh. Next. The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha was? Options: G.V. Mavlankar, Hukum Singh, M.A. Iyengar, D.S. Dillon. Correct answer is option 1, G.V. Mavlankar. Next. In Indian sovereignty resides in the? Options: President, Union Parliament, Prime Minister, Constitution of India. And the answer is option 1, President. Next one. The Constitution of India provides that the 3 constituents of the Indian Parliament are the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. And the other one. Options: Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, Vice President, President. Answer is option 4, President. Next. Before 1956, the present Kerala state was known as? Options: Travancore, Cochin, Malabar, Cochin, Travancore. Correct answer is option 1, Travancore, Cochin. Next. Who was the world's first woman Prime Minister? Options: Margaret Thatcher, Sirimavo Bandaranike, Benazir Bhutto, Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is option 2, Sirimavo Bandaranikai. Next. Rajya Sabha is called as permanent house because? Options: It cannot be dissolved. All members are for the lifetime. Option 3. It is in session for entire year. Fourth option, none of these. Correct answer is option 1, because it cannot be dissolved. Next. What is republic? Options: State whether head of the state is not hereditary. Option 2. State having presidential administrative system. Option 3. Only a socialistic state. Option 4. State having parliamentary administrative system. Correct answer is option 1. Republic means state where the head of the state is not hereditary. Next. The preamble to the Constitution defines the 4 objectives of the Indian Republic. Find the odd one. Options: harmony, fraternity, equality, liberty. Answer is option 1, harmony. Next. Which of the following is not a duty of the Election Commission? Options: To lay down general rules and guidelines for elections. Option 2. To give recognition to political parties. Option 3. To provide adequate campaign funds for the candidate. Option 4. To determine constituencies and to prepare the electoral rolls. Right answer is option 3. To provide adequate campaign funds for the candidate. Next. A person can be a member of both houses of parliament. Options. Yes, during a national emergency. Option 2. No. Third option. Yes. Fourth option. Yes, during a financial emergency. And the correct answer is option 2. No. Next. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by options Vice President, President, Prime Minister, Parliament. The answer is option 2, President. Next. Which House of Parliament is sometimes called the House of Elders? Options. None of these. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Option 4, Rajya Sabha. And the right answer is option 4, Rajya Sabha. Last one. The committee on whose recommendations Panchayati Raj was introduced in the country was headed by options Balwant Rai Mehta, Jeevraj Mehta, Jagjeevan Ram, Shriman Narayan. And the answer is option 1, Balwant Rai Mehta. The total number of members in the Legislative Council of a state shall not exceed how much of the total number of members in the State Legislative Assembly? Options 1/5, 1/2, 1/4, 1/3. Right answer is option 4, 1/3. Next. The concept of welfare state finds elaboration in which of the following? Options. Directive principles of state policy. Option 2. Fundamental duties. Option 3. Preamble. Fourth option, fundamental rights. And the answer is option 1, directive principles of state policy.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.